Hey guys, so today I figured I'd share with you guys what I've been loving recently, and there's not much, but I just have to share the things I have been loving because I've been absolutely loving them. The first thing is the Fantastic Beasts game on your phone. I am a complete nerd, so I have both the Harry Potter games, but I think I like Fantastic Beasts better just because when I was a kid, I loved Where's Waldo, and it's kind of similar to that, where it's just a lot of search and find things, and I've just been loving that. My second thing that I've been loving has been how I have my hair right now, but I've just been loving it when it's too hot to have my hair down, and I just want to put my hair up. It's been just a very easy thing to do, especially since right now the weather is kind of at the point where it's not super hot, but some days it is still quite warm. But pretty much all it is, I know you can't really see it that well because I do have brown hair, but it's just two braids going back to a kind of loose, messy bun at the bottom. Today I just did rope braids, and it's kind of, I pick braids that are either French or Dutch styled, where it's constantly pulling up hair. Rope braids are the easiest to do. It is the kind of looser option. I think it looks best with Dutch braids, but that's the hardest thing to do. But yeah, I just kind of start from the beginning, pick up hair, twist it down, put a little clip in it, and do the other side. Pull all the hair together, pull the clip out, and then put it into a little kind of messy bun down here, and I've just been absolutely loving it. I've been getting compliments on it constantly, so yeah, that's my little hair thing. The next thing I've been loving has been podcasts, and I kind of have a love-hate relationship with podcasts. Sometimes I absolutely love them, sometimes I'm just not in the podcast mood, and lately I have been in the podcast mood. I've been listening to them on the walk to the bus stop and while I'm on the bus and for class and whatnot. When I'm driving back to my parents, I will put them on. I got into them like at the beginning of like mid-summer when I was in Ghana, and I've just been loving them since. Some of my favorites I know off the top of my head are what are they called? Myths and Legends. That one is by far my favorite. I've also been listening to Coffee Break French because I'm in French class, and it's just a nice way to kind of get some extra little help with it, I guess. The next one, I think it's called like The Sophisticated Life, and I'll have them linked down below. That one is just kind of talking about lifestyle things, and I don't really know how to describe it, but it's good. The Myths and Legends is also just kind of stories that you know but retold, trying to get back to like the original version of it. And yeah, my last thing that I have been loving has been Naomi's granola from, so Naomi Smart, she brought out a book, she's also on YouTube, she's fabulous. One of the recipes in her book is for granola, and I've just been absolutely loving having that granola. But I've just been having the granola kind of as cereal. I'll mix it with some just rice Chex, so just some very plain basic cereal. I'll either use rice Chex or whole wheat Chex, just something to where it's not straight granola. It kind of mixes up the texture, but I've just been loving it's like the chocolate coconut granola, and I'll put a bunch of that on top with some milk, and I have been eating that every single day, sometimes for like breakfast and a lunch, dinner, snack thing, and I've been loving it. So yeah, those have been my favorites recently. I don't really know what else I've been loving. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below some things that you've been loving recently, because I love kind of just discovering things that people have been loving. And yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the little subscribe button down below if you want to see more of me. It would mean the world to me. And I will catch you guys later. Bye!